This is the help screen and this is how to fix SmartThings app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store and from here just search for SmartThings. And the first solution is just make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution, is just go to the settings on your device. And then after that, just go to the apps. And then over here on the apps, just find Smart Things. And guys, just tap on it when you find it. And from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And now guys, if that doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstalling the application on your device. So first, uninstall this application on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and now install it again on your device. And then from there, you should be able to have a working SmartThings application and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.